Weather Authority forecast with Josh Rugger, certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
Well, it's a gloomy start to the day here in Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, but you know what gets me hyped on days like this? Razorback football. We've got some Razorback football to look forward to tomorrow afternoon at 3:15. Of course, you can see Donald W. Reynolds Razorback Stadium in the distance there. Temperatures right now feeling pretty comfortable as you step out the door, though quite a bit warmer than what we saw earlier in the week. That's because of all the cloud cover that's currently in place. Temperatures in the lower to middle 60s in Northwest Arkansas. Most locations also in the lower to middle 60s in the River Valley, though Fort Smith is by far the warmest spot in our weather coverage area, sitting at 71 degrees, just a touch after 5 o'clock a.m. Let's take a quick look at satellite radar because we do have a little bit of drizzle that's pushing through our weather coverage area. This is not very impactful, and you can clearly see that the western side of this system is deteriorating. There's not a whole lot of energy to work with right now. There's still a lot of dry air on the western side of post-tropical depression Florence right now. It's just off to the east of the area at this time. You can see quite a bit of heavy rainfall still going on just off to the north and east of Memphis. But again, this is a post-tropical depression, meaning that it's lost its tropical characteristics and is starting to die out as it progresses off to the north and east of the area. But with that cloud cover that's going to be in place later on this evening, we are going to be getting hyped for this weather. Temperatures in the middle 70s at kickoff for high school football, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees at halftime. So should be another great day to go to some high school football games here in Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, and things should remain nice and dry as we move throughout the afternoon hours as well. So we'll be watching those trends very, very closely for Friday night lights. Of course, the two-day forecast timeline shows overnight lows dropping off into the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees in NWA. Tomorrow will be quite a bit warmer, and that's because we're going to see sunshine return to the area. Francine's going to lift off to the north and east, and that's going to allow high temperatures to soar into the middle to upper 80s, which is actually average for this time of year, but you got to consider we'll have a little bit more humidity at play, so make sure you're packing the water and Gatorade if you're heading for some tailgating at Donald W. Reynolds Razorback Stadium. Now, if we take a look at future track here, this active weather pattern not really going to go anywhere. In fact, Francine is going to remain off to our north and east and swing little pieces of energy our way. Again, it's not going to be a very significant system at this point. It's just going to be remnants, but there's nothing to guide this system out of our weather coverage area. So we'll have almost daily chances for showers and storms across Northwest Arkansas as we move throughout the early part of next week, albeit low chances for rain. We're not talking about a complete washout. There's certainly not going to be enough rain to get rid of this drought that's currently in place. But later on next week, that may be a different story. Notice how dew points remain in the middle to upper 60s in Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. So quite humid, quite warm. Going to be one of those weeks that you got to say whether to wear just because of that heat and humidity that's going to be in place, especially along and south of Interstate 40. But not a bad 7-day forecast, truth be told, for Northwest Arkansas. Again, high temperatures today in the upper 70s. Going to feel absolutely fantastic. Do have a slight chance of drizzle early in the morning, but that should be tapering off throughout the afternoon. Of course, as we move throughout the rest of the week, high temperatures are going to warm back up into the middle to upper 80s. There's that 20% chance of rain Sunday, Monday, to Tuesday. Might need to add some rain chances for the latter half of next week as well, especially with the much stronger storm system coming through our area. River Valley high temperatures in the middle 80s today, upper 80s on Saturday, and here we go again. Summer flexing on us, Perry. High temperatures will be in the lower 90s with overnight lows in the middle to upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. So temperatures as warm as the Razorback offense coming up right here, Perry.
Oh, boy.
I mean, they already scored 70 points. We're going to be way warmer than that in terms of our air temperatures. But big week for Razorback football,
yeah.
right? Obviously, these games that you play against UABs, North Texases of the world, they're coming to try to prove a point.
Right.
And unlike, the team that you played earlier this year in Little Rock, UAPB, they could beat you if you're not ready to play. So this is going to be a big week for Arkansas because they have to absolutely win this game.
Yeah, cannot afford a loss here.
Yeah, absolutely.
And especially not after coming the heels of that game against Oklahoma.
Yes.
It just hurts. So
that's the thing in football. You can't let a team beat you twice, right? Oklahoma State's already beat you, right? You got to move on from that game. You can't let it linger at this point. I think the Razorbacks going to be fine. They got a lot of leaders in that locker room. I know Taylon Green, Jackson, all those guys, Landon Jackson on the defense and everything. They're going to be ready to get out there, prove a point, get some rest for the starters, right, and hopefully get the backups in so you can get ready for a big game once again against Auburn. All these games are big for the Razorbacks this year.
Every game's big, Josh.
Yes,
when there's so few, that's what's always struck me about this, too.
It goes by really quickly. We're already at the third game of the year. We're already at the third game of the year. 25%.